Hi guys, good day to you all. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going trip to Nepal. Especially for Sri Lankans, Nepal is giving on arrival visa. However, some countries they have to pre-arrange their visa. Most of the countries they are giving on arrival visa. No worries. Here we go. So guys, when we talk about Nepal, it's a landlocked country in South Asia. Especially it's bordered by China and India. Located in the Himalayas and contains 8 of the world's 10 highest peaks. The government system is a federal parliamentary republic. The chief of state is the president, same like Sri Lanka, and the head of government is the prime minister. Not only that, Nepal is a multi-ethnic, multilingual, multi-religious and multicultural state. Nepali is the official language and Kathmandu is the capital and largest city. You will love this country because Nepal is known as the famous ultimate outdoor sports destination, offering a wide range of sports like rock climbing, canyoning, ziplining as example. The most challenging sports may be skydiving from Mount Everest and land in the highest zone in the world. Oh my god, how dangerous! Actually, the Nepalese regular meal is very similar to Sri Lanka and India. Their regular meal is dal, boiled rice and curried vegetables. And curried meat is very popular. However, when they eating, definitely they need raw chili or pickle. So, how similar it is to Sri Lanka and India. In the true sense of the word, Nepal is absolutely beautiful country. It has beautiful rivers, mountains, and so many natural resources. However, it has 5 seasons. In North Nepal, summers are cool and winters are severe. While in the south, summers are very hot while winters are mild to monsoon. Autumn and winter. 80% of all the rain in Nepal is received during the monsoon, especially June and September. I have very close friend. She is working for an NGO called Room to Read. So they have kind of information about Nepal and they are working in Nepal as well. So she told me that Nepal has very difficult situation to study. When children go to school, they should pass through very difficult roads like mountains. And there's one amazing thing. Some children go to school with yak. Yak are kind of wild ox with large horns. It's amazing, but actually it's sad to hear, right? And we are lucky when we hear those kind of stories, right? When we talk about cultural things in Nepal, Namaste is the form of greeting. Wearing shoes while entering someone's house is disrespectful. And it is better to use right hand to give or take goods than using left hands. Especially in rural areas, women are wearing covered clothes, covered dresses rather than open dresses. See how similar Nepal, India and Sri Lanka. Actually, I'm not telling it's 100% same, but it's 75% same. Foods, dresses, behaviors, most of the things are similar. So guys, time is going very fast. Actually, it's flying. So, hope you enjoy the video. Let's meet again soon with this kind of nice video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you guys. Bye. See you soon.